Make sure to subscribe before I burn off my hand.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Butcher's Choice meat that we're going to be putting here. It already has a smoky hickory flavor in it, so we're going to do that. And then what I did is I got ciabatta buns from the store here, so the kids really like it. So we're going to get started. Get on low heat and they come out perfect.
Look at those thick patties.
One of the
Look at the butter.
So one of the things I like to do is actually put a little, like just a tiny, sort of a little bit of a piece of the butter, just like that. We're gonna put it right on top. It will melt right into the meat, and it gives it a really nice flavor. I've done this before, and I personally like it. Right?
But I did that.
Whoa! Check out the fire! Get the fire! Get the fire! Get the fire!
I am. I'm not go too close.
Oh
my God. I'm on fire.
Are you getting that?
Yeah. You're so rude to that. Thank you. Oh. Hey, Sana, would you wait? Can you get a knife?
What's it?
It's salad. No, it's lettuce. Salad.
Mama, where should we put this on the ground? Can I put it here? Sure.
Put a little bit of mayonnaise. I like mustard, hot sauce. I have tomatoes as well. My wife grilled some tomatoes. A little bit of lettuce. Here we go. We're gonna put that first. Then we're gonna put one piece of lettuce. And then we're gonna grab the second piece and put it on top as well.
Okay, Dad, here's your burger.
All right, woo! This is awesome. Epic meal, guys. 2 patties. Look at that. Did you take pictures?
Yeah.
How's it going,
All right,
guys?
guys. Going good. Awesome. Here's the double patty burger. Mmm. Oh my God.
Does it taste better than a Big Mac?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you guys for watching.
No, I still have to do the bonfire.
Yes. Sorry, we're not done yet. We got the bonfire.
Let me just zoom into that fire.
That's much better than last time.
Whoa.
Have you ever seen fire zoomed in? Yo.